And November 33121, Brainerd, Tower to wind, 360 at 4, runway 2, clear for takeoff, on course approved.
Runway 2, clear for takeoff, Roger 121 on course. Thank you, Tower. A little bit of a left crosswind by 4 knots, which is nothing. Get up in the air and head over to Stafford. Check out what's going on at Stafford today. Alright, full power. Mixture's full rich. Staring down the center line. A little bit of right rudder. A little bit of left correction, not a lot. Looking for 60. There's our 60. Begin to rotate. Get up in the air for me, sweetie. There you go, girl. Alright, let's trim for... What are we trimming for today? I would say trim for around 90. There we go. There's our 90. Nice cool air coming into the cockpit. Maintaining runway center line. It's a beautiful Friday in Connecticut. I hope you guys are having a good day, a good week. What do you guys got going on this weekend? Leave a comment below. As we're climbing out at 400. Hello, Hartford. I got some right rudder in. There's our 700 making the right-hander. Sure I don't bust this Charlie. Flying over Rensselaer Field. And Tower Archer 121, I'm going to stay on frequency just in case we get anybody coming in on Tree at Bradley for you guys.
Enter 33121, good of you to stay on. We do have a inbound Cessna 182. That is about 8 or 9 miles to the north and east. They're going to be heading our way. You're going to stay 18, or what are you climbing to?
I got the inbound traffic on my iPad. I will stay here at 1,300, and so we can maintain separation for this inbound.
32121, Brainerd Tower. Thank you, appreciate that. We'll get them probably parallel in the 84 until they can make a straight in, and then that'll be perfect. Appreciate it.
Always love working with the tower folk down over at Brainerd. All right, fuel pump's going off. Keeping a landing light on for this guy inbound. I see he's over to my left here. We're at 1,600. Not a factor. Airplane in sight. Alright, we're going to go say hi to our friends over at Stafford. We're going to climb up to 1,900 here. Keep an eye out for traffic. Don't see anybody. Just a nice Friday flight. Relaxing. Let's turn the autopilot on. I haven't used it in a while. Alright, we're up at 2,000. Came up a little bit higher than I wanted to, but it's all good. Alright, so I'm flying over 84. We're at 2,100. Airplane is trimmed, the autopilot's on. I'm doing 120 miles an hour on the ground. Airspeed indicated is 115. Heading over to Stafford. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash the like button. Smash it. And go ahead and subscribe. We got more aviation content here on Alpha Kilo Warrior. And also check out my pal, Russ, for Russ Can Fly. He's got a hot rod. He's got 2 extra cans than me. He's got a Cherokee 235. I like putting the autopilot on and just kind of relaxing. And enjoying the view. Just loving what it's like being a pilot. Alright, so we're getting close to Stafford. We are 8 miles away from our intended orbit. Orbit over the Stafford Motor Speedway. Fields off to my right. I'm looking for fields now because the terrain is coming up. Not a whole lot of options over here. So I'm creeping up on altitude a little bit, which is fine by me. I'm at 2,200. Alright, let me turn a little bit to the left. Turn to 057. I see a Crystal Lake off to my left. Make sure I check out Crystal Lake. Looking for any aerial traffic. I don't see anything. I get my little GoPro ready. I got some nice cold air up here at 2,300. I got something going on at Stafford. It's a Friday night. Alright, turn the autopilot off. Stafford Motor Speedway. Hello. Any racing going on up here? Alright, turn off that frequency because I want to... Oh, they got cars going out. They got cars moving around. I wonder if they'll be racing. Stafford Speedway, we got cars going around. I don't know what they're doing. I don't think they're racing. Maybe they're showing off the cars. Parking lot's filled. They must be sold out. Oh, there's somebody doing a burnout.
I believe this is around 6:30, and we're watching the street stock qualifying. I didn't find any race results, but I did find an entry list online for who's running here. Cleetus McFarland's in Connecticut for his New England 900, which is set to start at 7:30 this evening. If you were at the track or you did see me flying over you, I'd like to offer you a discount on some Alpha Kilo Warrior merchandise, so leave me a comment.
Yeah, they're racing around there. Get some aerial footage. Oh, they're definitely making some laps.
I'd like to take the time to thank my channel members for supporting my work. I'm about halfway to purchasing a new camera for the channel. Hopefully I'll have it by the fall time so I can capture the Connecticut River North as far as I can go. If you'd like to become an Alpha Kilo Warrior channel member, click the join button. Have a sparkling day.
Oh, my wing's covering it. There, we can see it now. Who's leading? Somebody's out in front. Aerial shot. Somebody spun out. Somebody's going through the grass. Making a pass through the grass. It's like a NASCAR move. I think Earnhardt did that. The Intimidator, number 3. Oh, cool. I should probably send them some money for a ticket because I'm watching this race.